my hair is in braids, you already know what's going down. It's about to be a wig video. But this is gonna be not a regular wig video, but like a wig, like a wig with me, like chit chat kind of video. This is the wig we're working with. I actually recorded myself dyeing the hair and like the whole process, because it was, sis, it was a whole process, but my camera was fucking up, so I had to delete everything off my memory card. It was originally 613 hair, which I then dyed using the what's it called, the watercoloring method. This hair is from Hairspells. Yeah, so shout out to them. Oh, the bag matches my nails. And I'm gonna show y'all how to install it. Well, I'm gonna try to install it. I'm using a different method today. I think it's the wig cap method. We're just gonna try it because I've seen girls do this, and like I've just been watching hella videos. I got my wig cap here. Finally bought me the Got To Be Free spray. Boom. The wig glue I'm gonna be using is the Ghost Bond. Alright, so I know why y'all are here. We all know why we're here, and let's get into the good stuff while I'm putting on this wig. Hopefully I'm able to multitask and do two things at once without completely fucking it up. I'm just gonna take off like the makeup that's on my forehead. So here goes the story time. The time I hooked up with my celebrity crush. We're all grown here, okay? Ain't no slut shaming. Ain't nothing wrong with being a sexually liberated woman in 2019, okay? It's not even like how it sounds, y'all. It's not like I was on some groupie shit, just wanted to hook up with a celebrity. It was not even like that. First and foremost, I'm gonna pin up my braids. Alright, I've been on YouTube like a year or something now, so one of my first few YouTube videos, which I think I've deleted since then, it was like a Q&A, and one of the questions was, who's your celebrity crush? It's so crazy because I said this dude's name, right? And he's not like a huge celebrity. Like some of y'all probably won't even know who he is, to be honest. He has like big performances, but he's not like super huge. I don't know. I used to hear his music in like high school, and like I started my channel like right out of high school. I listened to like all his old music, all his new music. I just thought he was so fine. Like I followed him on Instagram. I feel like the moment I said it in my video, I like manifested. I don't even know if I'm using that word right. I manifested because I was like, yeah, this is my celebrity crush, and that's when everything popped off. Like literally like a month later, that's when everything went down. I literally manifested in that moment. I'm gonna just explain to y'all how that came to be. I'm just gonna slick it back with regular like ego styler. Alright, so boom, I dropped the Q&A, and then like a month later, you know, I didn't think nothing of it, whatever. I'm still following him on Instagram. He posts this, just like a regular post on his Instagram saying, oh, shooting a music video, need girls in New York for like a music video, must be like New York based or whatever, blah blah blah. And you know me, I rep that till I fucking die, bitch. So I was like, hey, I'm in New York. It was like, oh, contact this person if you want to be in the music video, whatever. So I DM'd that person, and this moment in my life, let me just tell y'all where I was at in my life in this moment. Like I had just gotten off Accutane for the first time. I'm on my second round now, but for the first time, so my skin has just gotten clear for the first time in like my whole life. So I just felt like I was the baddest bitch. Like I felt like I could do whatever I want. Like I was in the gym. Bitch was fit, okay? She was physically fit. I'm kind of fat now, but it's all good. But yeah, I was in like a really good place in my life. I had just graduated college. Like I was just like feeling myself. Like I was just that bitch. So like I just hit them up to see like, you know, what's up, like what's the criteria, like do you have to be like a thick bitch, a slim bitch, like I don't know. So I hit them up and I was like, hey, how can I be in music video? I'm not gonna tell y'all who it is. They got back to me and whatever. They're like, hey, like glad you're interested, we're just looking for girls right now, like this is the concept for it, and blah blah blah. After that initial DM, I think we exchanged numbers, and they were like, oh, like we'll text you with more details or whatever the fuck, like when the day gets closer. I'm just gonna spray it this way. Oh my god, I hope this works. It's cold. Oh my god, it's in my freaking eye. Oh my god, it's dripping in my ear. Ew, 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 that's nasty. I just rewatched the tutorial and it says I need a blow dryer. I have these little baby scissors now. I'm about to like cut off the wig with that. Oh my god, I'm scared. Alright guys, so where was I in the story? So after we like exchanged numbers and stuff, we just texted a little bit about like the video and like where it's gonna be, and he literally said it's gonna be like on Long Island, and I'm like, yo, I live on Long Island, like, can this be like any more perfect? I was like, yo, like, how can I not do this? I was like, all the signs are pointing to yes, like, it's meant to be, sis. I was never the type to do this or like chase celebrities or like go clout chasing, like none of that. I'm not like that type. I'm just like a little shy girl. I just wanted to step outside my comfort zone because I knew if I didn't take this chance, like, I was gonna regret it forever. I feel like I owed it to myself. It would be something that you look back on like, wow, like, I really did that shit. Of course, I was still worried that like all the other girls were gonna like look better than me, like, you know, super snatched or whatever. Like, I just have like a pretty average bod, so like that was definitely like one of my insecurities, but like I was working out and stuff, so like I didn't feel too insecure. These scissors fucking suck. Pull their ear out. Ah, oh my god, it looks like my ear just like gave birth. After we like discussed it for a bit, it kind of just like went into the air, I guess. We just didn't talk about it for a while, so it was kind of just like a whatever thing.
All right, I don't know how, but I managed to skip like a whole part of the story. So basically he gets back to me and is like, hey, the video is about to be next Tuesday. So I was like, what? So I hit up my girl. I like beg her to come with me. She's down. So we drive up to the place. It's like 45 minutes from my crib. We get there. It's like a regular ass house. Like, I didn't expect it to be just such a regular ass house. Like, I thought it was gonna be like a nice ass like condo apartment. I don't know. We pulled up. It's like 7 o'clock. He told me to be there at 7. I go at 7. There's literally nobody there. We're the first ones there. The dude who I've been texting back and forth about the video is the one that greets me. He lets me in, blah, blah, blah. At this point, I don't even see the artist either. So later on, another girl comes, who's the second girl to be there. And she's just like this little like bubbly girl from Cali. She's super tall compared to me. I'm 4'10". She was like literally like 5'10". Like, she was so tall. She's like, oh, I came to New York because I want to be a model, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, she gets there and then we're cooling. And then yeah, I think that's where I left off in the story.
I was in there with this super hot model girl, and all right, she automatically like takes her shoes off, which I thought was so nasty. Like, why would you take your shoes off in a house that is not yours? And she spent the whole night without shoes, like no shoes the whole night. Like, throughout the music video she had no shoes on. So yeah, no, that was just like, ew. I'm just gonna show y'all the wig. I'm pretty sure that it is pre-plucked. I probably have to plug some more, but I'm not going to, because last time I tried to pre-plug, got like a big ass bald spot on it, so wasn't feeling that. This is what the inside looks like. It has like the combs, and the lace is just on the front. It's not a full lace. I look like a rock star. In the video I was watching, they put like powder on their wig cap, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if you're supposed to put liquid foundation, to be honest, but that's what I'm doing. Oh my god, that looks literally trash. Yeah, the dude pulls up. He has like 2 or 3 guys with him. He like comes up. I think he was downstairs actually. Like, he didn't pull up, like he was already there, but he just like popped out. He completely ignores us, goes in the other room. He comes into the kitchen, and like his friends start like talking to us, but he still like has not said a word to anybody. The girl, you know, the Cali girl, she's like, yo, let's take shots. I hope she doesn't watch this, but she was dumb as a doornail, because she goes, oh, what's your name? To the dude, right? The dude whose music video she's literally about to be in. And she's like, oh, you're? And she's like, oh my god. She was just acting damn fool. I was embarrassed for her. Everybody in the room was embarrassed. Everyone was just like. So that's when it got on and popping, because that's when he started talking to everybody, because we was getting him drunk. Basically. So everyone starts taking like tequila shots. I was literally 20 at the time, but, you know, I could handle my liquor. They kept playing this little like dice game, like, you know, that dice game, I don't even know what it's called, betting money, betting like $5-10. So like the atmosphere was real cool, you know, like everybody was having fun. They were kind of like breaking the ice a little bit more while everybody kept drinking, and we were playing games. It was like that for a little while, and then probably like 2 hours later, like at 11 o'clock p.m, like the other 2 girls show up. There's supposed to be like originally 8 girls. It went down to 4. You know how girls is, right? Like, girls be frying. I think you're supposed to apply this with like a popsicle stick. This is the closest thing I could find, which is like a nail file. All right, when I first saw him, I wasn't like starstruck or anything. I was just like kind of like intrigued. Like, you know when you see someone online or like from a distance, and then you finally see them in person, you're like, oh, that's what they look like, or that's how they act, you know? It's like just interesting. One girl, super loudmouth, was like so, oh my god, if y'all have ever seen a clout chaser, like she is like the queen of clout chasing. Like, she was just all over this man, trying so hard, laughing at all his jokes, putting on her little act. It was like so cringe. Like, if you're into a dude, go for it, but it was just not a pretty sight. But for some reason, like, she was all in his face. Like, he kept kind of like coming back to me, because I was like asking the girls questions, and then he would ask me questions. So I was like, how old are y'all? Because they was dumb young. So I was like, how old are y'all? like, oh, you know, 19, like they could have been 16 for all I know. Like, I'm like, oh, word. And then he goes, how old are you? I'm like, I'm 20. Yeah, he was asking me questions and he was showing me how to play the dice game, and like we was on a little team or whatever. It's like a room full of girls that want this man, and I'm just the one that's just like, I'm not just gonna be fiending over a guy just because he got a couple songs, just because he do a couple performances. Like, he's still just a dude to me. If anything, I like him less for that. Like, I don't chase guys because they're famous, because they be fucking groupies and they have all types of diseases, so I don't be chasing them. All these girls acting a damn fool. The one girl is all laughing at all his jokes. The other girl is all in his face asking him 1,000,001 questions. She's all like, oh, follow me on Instagram. Oh, I met up with this person. Oh, I'm a dancer. Oh, I dance with the same choreographer as Sierra. Like, she was just like talking herself up to the max. Everyone's just like, yo, chill out. Also, they could have like just been drunk acting stupid, who knows. Oh my god, it actually smells like Elmhurst glue. This is coming out a lot better than I thought it would. Yeah, like literally like 10 years later, it was time to finally do the video. Literally everybody was drunk, so they're like, all right, let's go into the room like where the music video was gonna be shot at. Just like a stupid little bedroom. I was like, is this a porn or something? Like, I was like, what the fuck is about to go down? Like, it was just like a bedroom, bed not even made. So I'm like, yo, you couldn't make your bed for this? They were setting up, and then me and the girls was just in the room. Like, the girls was cool, you know, like we was getting along and stuff, I guess. Like, we was flicking it up in there because we had cute fits on, like, for the video. The California girl, you know, her loud mouth, was taking flicks of me. So the artist comes in while we're flicking up, and she goes, oh my god, isn't she so cute? And he goes, yeah, she is real cute. And I'm like, you know, but I'm all shy, so like I don't know what to say. So I was just like, hee hee. I be shy on the outside but a bad bitch on the inside. It's time to start like filming or whatever, and like it was just like a regular schmegler concept. Like, we didn't have to do nothing like too crazy. Obviously you had to be like, you know, sexy. They didn't ask like too much of you. Like, it was nothing like nude, like, you know, nothing like that. They put me right next to him, the California girl right next to him, and the other two girls in the back. Oh, basically all you have to do is like hug on him, like, you know, be all like flirty with him, you know, music video shit, like whatever. It's basically just the girls like messing around on the bed, like pillow fighting. It was just like a really fun night, to be honest. So, and we do that for a while, and then when the music video wraps up, basically he just like holds on to me, and like everybody else is like clearing out the room because I guess they went to like go drink some more, like go outside. Like, I don't even know what they was doing because he just held on to me. I was like, oh, what's up? So like we start like chatting. I don't know, it's like a real cool vibe. I was kind of like, yo, this is literally like some dude I've had a crush on since high school. I didn't think like I could even compete with like any of the girls in the music video, but I guess their annoying asses just like canceled themselves out because they were so annoying. And he has like a chill personality too. Like, he's really calm, cool, collected. We was like talking, and I even told him, like, honestly we were both drunk, but like I even told him, I was like, yo, like I've been hearing your music since I was in high school. That's why it's like crazy that I'm like even here right now. But also like I kind of caught myself. I was like, ew, like you sound like such a fangirl, like relax. He's like a big lean sipper, you know, artists these days, right? So they made this like slime concoction, and then he had to like pour it on, like it was like lean, like he poured it out of a lean cup, so it just looked like some big fat slimy lean just like pouring out. It was cute. Then we wrapped up. Like, I went to go check on my girl, who, like, remember I told y'all my girl came with me, so I went to go check on her, you know, make sure she's good. And he's like, yo, like if your friend wants to go home, like I could buy her an Uber and she could go home. And I was like, nah, like that's my girl, like we came together, we gonna leave together, period. At some point, like we were just running into each other in the hall, and like he would just like grab me and pull me aside, give me a kiss, and then like go our separate ways, I guess. I don't know, like I'm kind of like drawing blanks, guys, because I was drunk at this point. Like, not even gonna hold you. All right, I'm just gonna cut this lace. Oh, this looks literally terrible. What the fuck? All right, guys, it kind of looks like shit, but whatever. I'm over it now. It was actually mad cute. Like, I actually felt like I was in high school for a minute, because like every time we would see each other in the hall, he would give me like a kiss or whatever, and like it was like all cute and stuff. He kept like pulling me to the side and like, kept wanting to be around me, and like I don't know, it was like real sweet. Okay, I'm literally telling the story so wrong, I'm so sorry. I'm like confusing it, but like yeah, we kept seeing each other in the hall, he was giving me all this attention, whatever. Then we filmed the whole like one-on-one like lean cup like kind of bit, whatever, for the music video. So then like yeah, then he filmed that, and like he was pouring like all this like slime all over me. So after we did that, he was like, oh, like, do you want to go upstairs and like shower? So like he has his own bedroom upstairs apparently, and he's like, you know, you could just go up there and like take a shower and whatnot. Obviously I was covered in slime. I wasn't about to sit in my car and just slime up the shit. I was like, you know what, yeah, like I'll just take a shower. Like I brought extra clothes just in case too. Like I had like sweatpants with me and stuff. I guess I was like pretty drunk because when I was in the shower, I don't know if I was taking long or something, but like he knocked on the door to like check on me. He's like, are you good? I was like, yeah, like I didn't fall in the shower. Like I'm pretty sure I know how to take a shower, but thanks. He like gave me a towel. So yeah, as you can imagine, this where it gets a little spicy, but I popped out the shower. He gave me a towel, whatever, and then we was just like in his room because like an idiot, I left my spare clothes downstairs. So like I didn't have nothing to wear. I was just in a towel, and obviously, you know, girl in a towel, fresh out the shower, dude sitting right there in his bedroom. You already know how the story's about to go down. So yeah, that's kind of how it happened. That's how I hooked up with my celebrity crush. I didn't have to do too much. I didn't do the most. It was just like a vibe. Like I would have hooked up with him if he was a celebrity or not, you know what I mean? I just think like the dude's real attractive. He had a real chill vibe. We was feeling each other, and like it just happened. Bro, when I tell you I had to be at work at 6 a.m. the next day, yo, I left that spot probably like 4 a.m. So then I just got home, took a shower again, and then got ready for work and went to work for a 12-hour shift. Was it worth it? Yes. This is the finished look. I straightened it out. This is human hair. It looks really nice. Like I'm actually shook with how good this came out. Wow, I did not think it was gonna come out this good. It was going so bad. Big shout out to Hairspells for sponsoring this video. I will leave all the links down below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening to my story. If you guys are gonna pass judgment in the comments, just save it, okay? A lot of y'all wanted to hear this story too, so I just had to put it out there for y'all. But yeah, my camera's about to die. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I will catch y'all in the next one.